Most people think NVIDIA is a chip company. They think the story is about GPUs. They're wrong. Today, March 11th, NVIDIA just dropped $2 billion on a deal that proves the cloud, as you know it, is dying. While the rest of the world is obsessing over stock prices and Blackwell benchmarks, a secret pivot is happening behind the scenes that will fundamentally change how AI is built and who gets rich building it. If you're an investor, a tech leader, or someone looking to future-proof your career in the next 24 months, you cannot afford to look away, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint NVIDIA is using to bypass the public cloud entirely, and why the most valuable real estate on Earth isn't in Manhattan anymore. It's in the AI factory. Now, I know what you're thinking. NVIDIA GTC 2026 is only 4 days away. Shouldn't we be talking about the new Rubin architecture or HBM4 memory? Here's the truth. Everyone is looking at the chips NVIDIA will announce at GTC next week. But if you look at this $2 billion Nebius deal, the real story isn't the chips. It's the factories they sit in. We are moving from the era of general-purpose cloud to the era of sovereign AI infrastructure. If you stay with me until the end of this video, I'm going to break down the 3 specific career paths that are opening up right now because of this deal. Roles that didn't exist 2 years ago, but are now commanding 6-figure salaries. Let's look at the numbers. NVIDIA didn't just partner with Nebius. They are fundamentally scaling a full-stack AI cloud. Nebius is aiming for 5 gigawatts of power. To put that in perspective, that's enough to power nearly 4 million homes. Why would NVIDIA bypass AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud to put this much weight behind a specialized player? 1. The liquid cooling constraint. Legacy clouds weren't built for 100 kilowatt of racks. Nebius is building from the ground up for the Blackwell and Rubin systems. 2. Sovereign control. Global enterprises are tired of renting AI. They want AI factories they can control. 3. The Blackwell bottleneck. By investing $2 billion here, NVIDIA ensures their best chips go to the most efficient infrastructure, not just the biggest names. Why is this important to you? If you are a technical professional, your skills in legacy virtualization are becoming less relevant every day. The industry is screaming for thermal architects and HPC operations specialists. If you are an executive, this is a warning shot. If you are still relying on a generic cloud strategy for your proprietary AI models, you are already behind. NVIDIA is showing us that the winners will own their own compute factories. This isn't just a tech trend, it's an industrial revolution. We are shifting from software-defined everything to physics-defined everything. Power, cooling, and physical space are the new gold. I promised you a look at the careers of the future. Based on this $2 billion pivot, here is where the money is moving. Role 1, AI Infrastructure Strategist. These are the people who bridge the gap between CFOs and data center architects. They decide where and how to build these 5GW sites. Role 2, Thermal Intelligence Engineer. With air cooling reaching its limit, the people who can manage liquid cooling loops at scale are the most sought-after talent in 2026. Role 3, Sovereign Cloud Consultant, helping nations and giant corporations build their own independent AI hubs. The $2 billion secret is out. NVIDIA is no longer waiting for the cloud to catch up. They are building the replacement. In next Thursday's video, I'll highlight some of the key takeaways from the NVIDIA GTC conference. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. If you like the content, please also smash the like button so this content is surfaced by YouTube's algorithm to more viewers. My plan is to release videos Mondays and Thursdays. Monday's videos will focus on RWA tokenization and blockchain, while Thursdays will dive deeper on AI, HPC, and the data center industry. I'm JoshLi's digital twin. While I'm in front of the camera, the real JoshLi is doing the research and creating the content. He will read all of your comments. While you're here, check out some of my other videos about the intersection of AI, blockchain, and tech in the future. If you want to see the deeper dive into how to build a megawatt AI factory in 180 days, check out my AI HPC data center playlist. I'll see you in my next video.